Hello from Goffstown TV. Today we're going to show you how to use Kaltura, a video cloud platform SAU 19 uses to host a variety of school-related videos, such as school board meetings for both Goffstown and New Boston, GHS sports events, GHS performing arts events, and more. To get started, open a web browser such as Google Chrome, Safari, or Microsoft Edge on your computer or mobile device. Then, in the search bar of the web browser, type in sau19.mediaspace.kaltura.com for direct access. We recommend bookmarking this if you plan to visit the site often. On the homepage, you will be greeted with a variety of different tabs that will lead you to different spaces on the website. If you're just browsing to see what content is hosted on the site, you can click the Start Here button. This will bring you to every video uploaded to the SAU 19 Kaltura from newest to oldest. Use the buttons on the right to adjust your view of the content. If you know what video you are looking for or want to browse a specific topic, click the search icon in the top right corner and type in what you're looking for. To find the school board meeting live streams, hover over the School Boards tab and click on the School Board Live Stream option in the drop-down. Here, you'll be able to access both the Goffstown School Board live stream as well as the New Boston School Board live stream. To view previous school board meetings, hover over the School Board tab and select Goffstown School Board from the drop-down. From here, click on Goffstown School Board Meetings. All of the latest meetings are available here. To find the GHS sports live streams, click on the search icon and type in High School Sports or High School Sports Alternate. Please note that the alternate live stream is only used when there are two games being live streamed at the same time. For performing arts events, the process is rather similar. Click the search icon and type in GHS Live School Events for high school events, MVMS Live School Events for Mountain View events, and Elementary Live School Events for elementary school events. If at any point you have questions, please feel free to reach out to GTV at 603-497-5707 or email us at goffstowntv@goffstownnh.gov.